Here we come to the shuttle elevator at 1700 Pacific Avenue Tower in downtown Dallas, Texas. This is an Esco. Oh no, wait, it's an Otis. Okay, cool. Notice the one lights up automatically. Check this out. Still acts like an Esco. Here's your phone. Before we end the video, I want to sample the chime. Oh, would you look at that? This is interesting. Look at this. The button already lights up automatically. When I first filmed this elevator, I first thought I was being chased or something. I got really nervous at first, but that thankfully isn't the case. I want to hear this chime. Nice. All right, that's it.